Time slowly, time brings revelation, waiting softly for someone to believe that the ghosts we've hidden or left to die have now arisen and will arrive to say what has happened. Say what has happened. Say what has happened to me. And who would have thought that you'd be the one that I would have found you waiting, lost in this night until you arrived, but always too blind to see. Thought that after this time that I'd be the one you're saving. Now undisguised, the ghosts that survive will say what was meant to be. I never wanted to give my life away. Whoever thought it would matter anyway, wandering inside this night, finding pieces of my life, never sure I'd ever know what it